Hi everyone, my name is Patrick and I am here to tell you about what is CAT. I have written CAT examination and have trained students in the CAT for the last 15 years. I have also aced the CAT and scored 100 percentile thrice, 2007, 2009 and 2016. Here the basic video is to help you and guide you with regards to what is CAT and how do you go about preparing for the same. So what is CAT? So it is an entrance exam for the MBA colleges. So if you want to do an MBA, it is after your graduation, if you want to pursue an MBA course, then CAT is one of the exam that you can write to get into it. So a lot of top colleges in India take up CAT. So right from the top IIMs, FMS, Bajaj, SP Jain, MDI and many more colleges take up the CAT exam. As a matter of fact, most of the top colleges do focus on the CAT exam, and therefore CAT exam becomes important if you are aiming for good colleges. Normally held in the month of November and December. This again is significant because CAT becomes one of the first exams, and because it is the first exam, it is said that if you prepare for CAT well, you are prepared for almost all the exam. As a matter of fact, those students who crack the other exam are the ones who are prepared for CAT extremely well. So what is the entrance exam process? So you first write the entrance exam. So CAT is one of the entrance exams. So you have CAT, you have XAT, you have CET, you have SNAP, you have NMAT, etc. So CAT forms one of the entrance examination. And once you write the entrance examination, you are shortlisted. And once you are shortlisted, you are called for a group discussion or an interview of VAT. And once you clear this GDPR VAT, you are selected. So this is the basic process. That means the first step in the whole process is to write the CAT exam. So what does CAT contain? So broadly speaking, 4 areas: the maths, verbal, DI, logic. But in the last 2 years, the DI and the logic section has been combined to one section. So you broadly speaking, you have 3 sections. So first section, second section and third section. But this can change. CAT keeps on changing its pattern every year. So for the last 2 years, the number of questions in maths has been 34, the number of questions in verbal has been 34, and number of questions in DI logic has been 32. So there are total 100 questions, each 3 marks each. So the paper is of 300 marks. And you obviously have a negative mark, so -1 for going wrong. So let's look at each and every section and see what they basically mean. So when we talk of mathematics in the CAT, a lot of people are scared of mathematics, but frankly speaking, there's nothing to be scared because it's all about school level mathematics. The idea of having mathematics is that it has to have a level playing field for everyone. So even an art student should be able to crack the examination, or an engineer. So I have had many art students who have done extremely well in a CAT and have done well in the math section. So it's basically your 10th standard mathematics that is important and nothing beyond that. Also, to keep a level playing field, if you look at the type of questions that come in the CAT, they are not formula based. Unfortunately, when a lot of people prepare, they focus too much on formulae, which normally does not come in the exam. The focus of your preparation has to be moving away from formulae and trying to look at logically how to go about solving the sums with regards to maths. Next is a verbal section. So in the verbal section, as far as CAT goes, the focus is on your ability to understand or your reading skills. So if you're able to read and comprehend, that is what they check on. They check you on comprehension. As a matter of fact, in the last 2 years, out of 34 questions, 24 questions have been just RC, reading comprehension. Even the rest of the question focuses more on your comprehension ability. As a matter of fact, there is hardly any or not much focus on vocabulary. So if you have a good reading habit, or if you can create a good reading habit, I'm sure you'll be able to ace this section. Data interpretation is technically where you have graphs and charts and you'll have questions based on that. As far as CAT goes, it does not test you on calculation. As a matter of fact, in the CAT exam you have a calculator there present, which you can use for calculation. What does CAT check on data interpretation? Your ability to interpret the data given to you. And last is the logic, which basically checks on your lateral thinking, or how differently can you think, or how you can think in a structured way. A good way of preparing this may be to start with Sudoku or solving puzzles from different puzzle books. That should help you. So try solving different type of puzzles, different type of questions on lateral thinking, and that should help you to build your thinking ability with regards to logic section. If you can follow these particular steps, I'm sure you'll be able to do well in the CAT. This is basic idea about the CAT examination. I hope it has helped you. If you want to know more about the CAT examination, so you can subscribe to our videos where we'll put in some shortcut methods of solving different sums, etc. You can also visit our site patrick@100percentile.com for any more information. Thank you.